Hi guys, welcome back to Websense Pro. I'm your host Bilal Nasir, and today's tutorial is about how you can add Shopify products on your store. So I have an example here with the most simplest product which we can add, where we can see product pricing and product price. This item is on sale, and some of the details related to products. Now the second example is to how we can add a product with variations. So for example, if you have multiple colors of the products, how you can add that product. And the third example is where we have multiple variations. So for example, each size have multiple colors. In small size, we have 3 different colors. In medium size, we have 3 different colors. And we can also set different quantity and different pricing for each variation. So for example, medium size in red color might not be available to sell and it will show out of stock, but when you click on white, it will be available and will be ready to be shipped. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So guys, first we will add the most simplest product. So in order to do that, go back to your dashboard of the store by navigating to /admin. So this is the development store where I'm working. You might be adding /admin to your after your domain name, and once done, and after logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. Once you're on your dashboard, click on products and then click on add product. Once you click on add product, you will see a screen like this where this is title, or you can say the name of your product. We will add it like so for example, I add black glasses as the sample product in order to show you guys, and here we will add description of the product. So for example, whatever size you have or whatever dimension you have of the glasses, you can add in the details in this section. And after that, scroll down and add in the vendor. If you want to add vendor, you can also leave it blank. So for example, there are multiple vendors which are supplying products to your store and you are just a seller to those vendors. You can simply add the vendor. I can, in order to show you guys how it will look, I'll just add vendor 1. And in collections, you can have multiple collections on your store. So if you have glasses, you have t-shirts, you have garment products, you have home products, you have multiple types of products, you can separate them as the collections. Similarly, you can do the same thing with types. And types, you can add also custom type, and there are certain categories available in types. So for now, I'll just go to collections and select homepage. After that, I'll add the price, which is $10. And compare at price mean that you want to show your customer that if it's on sale. So for example, in this product, the actual price of the product is $20, but we are giving it away on $10, which is the 50% sale. So what we can do here, we can compare it to $14. So the original price of the product is $14, but we have added this product on sale and we are giving $4 as a discount. You can also add cost per item. If you cost per item is only visible to you, customers won't see this. If you add cost per item, you will be able to calculate the profit after you achieve the amount of sales or the number of sales you want to achieve. So you'll be able to have good figure of the profit which you will be getting from this product. Charge text on products. We'll leave this topic for another video because there is settings within the Shopify backend where we will be adding the tax details. So just leave it for now. I'll create another video for you guys for the detailed brief on the text. But the summary of that, you can also add text settings by going to settings. And then after going to settings, you can see that you have taxes and duties under settings. You can define text per region, per country, and you can mention how much tax customer will be paying for every single country or region. So I'm going to go back to my product, and for now I'll just leave this unchecked because we don't want to add any text on this product. Normally people ignore to add text on Shopify because it's just another hurdle for the customer. Like they are buying the product for $10, and once they go to the checkout, they'll see additional amount on text. So I think you should add the amount inclusive of text, which is much more favorable and much more likable to sell your product on Shopify store. You can add SKU, stock keeping unit, which is of how you want to track the quantity of your product. So for example, I can add glasses 101 as my SKU. If your product have barcode, ISBN, UPC, GTIN, you can add the details here. Track quantity, you will be adding quantity, and you can also have warehouses mentioned. So as you can see, it says location, meaning it's a warehouse. You can add in more warehouses by going to settings and then click on locations. Here you can have multiple locations, which will be easier for you to manage where your product is being stored. So for now, I'll add the quantity as 1. You can define if it's a physical product or if you're selling an online course or if it's a virtual product. Our product is a physical product, so we have checked it here. You can also add in weight, in kg, in grams, in pounds, and in ounce. So my product, let's say, is 300 grams as it's just a glass. And you can also add in the country of origin. I'll add in my own country. And that's it for the simple product. I'll not go through the details of options because that we'll be learning in for our second example, which is this one. So for now, after adding and filling in all the details, go to product status and click on active and then hit save. Now let's view our product of how it looks like. Click on preview. And that's how our product looks like. So currently it's missing image. So what I'm going to do, I'll just download an image. From Google. In order to show you guys how the images will look like. Okay, I have downloaded 2 pictures from Google Images in order to show you guys how we can upload the images. And now we are again on the back end of our product. And from media section, click on add file and select the images which you have downloaded. Class 1, class 2. Save. And here we go. Our images are uploaded, and now okay, after adding the images, go to preview the product. And here's how our product looks like now. So that's the description of the product, the pricing, and the sale price. That's a product name. That's a vendor name which we added, and these are the images which we have. So that's how you can add simple product on your Shopify store. Now let's move to the second example, which was how we can add variations. So for example, if we need to add color, so what we're going to do, we'll go back to a back end of the product. I'm going to close the settings page, and that's our product backend, and scroll down to options. That's the section. Click on this check mark, and here we will add our color. So in drop down we already have the color showing up, and for now we will add two colors, which is black and what should be another color like blue. Okay, so we have glasses in two colors, black and blue. Click on done and then hit save again. Once you save the product, you will have your variation showing up like this. And here you can mention the quantity of each variation. So for example, if you have currently black available, but blue is not available, you can simply select it 0. And when someone will go to their product page and now hit refresh, because we added our variations, color black and blue. And now if someone click on blue, as you can see, it says sold out and it cannot be added to the cart because we do not have the quantity. And when we click on black, it says add to cart and the product is on sale. So that's how we can add variation of the products. We can also select image as per the variant. Now let's download the image for blue color. Now I have downloaded few colors, few blue color images. And now what I'm gonna do, I'll go to variant section in our Shopify backend and click on edit, where we can see blue. Click on edit here, which will open details for that specific variant. Now I'm gonna upload the images which I downloaded for blue color. And click on done. Okay, our blue color variant image has been uploaded. Now hit save. Now similarly select the image for your black variant. Add image, and as we have already uploaded the images for black variant, just select that image. Click on done and hit save. Okay, now go back to preview our product, hit refresh. And now you can see we have additional images showing up, and when we click on that, it will show that specific variant image. Now click on black and we will see the black image as our main image. So that's how we can add color for our products, color variant. And now what we need to do, if like we have different sizes in our colors, now if we look at our third example, we have first variant as size and second as color, where we have multiple colors and multiple sizes available for each color. Now in order to achieve that, what we're going to do, we'll just go to our backend again. Go back to our main product settings. Scroll down to options. Click on add another option and add in size. Now here we can have multiple sizes. For example, in glasses we can have like normally glasses don't have sizes, but let's assume that each color have 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. And now once the possible option values are added, click on done. And now we have two variants, color and size, and every single color have multiple sizes. Now let's hit save. Scroll back to our variants, and now you can see we can change the pricing of each variant and quantities as well. So for example, I don't have medium size available in black color, but I do have 3 items for black color in large size. But the pricing of that specific variant is $12. So if someone buys a large size, they'll have to pay additional $2. Similarly, let's do the same for blue color. If someone wants to buy a large size, they'll have to pay $12. And the quantity available we have for blue color is 2. Now hit save and go back to preview our product. Hit refresh. And now you can see that it's saying $10 when we are on small size, but when we click on large size, it says the product price is $12. But when we select the medium, it says the product has been sold out and it's not available. So that's how we can add multiple variations in our Shopify store. So that was the beginner level tutorial in order to show you guys how you can add in products with variations. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the video below and let me know what more you would like to learn in Shopify. Meanwhile, have a great day.